Hey there, are you thinking about buying a home? Buying a home is a complex operation that can be made really fun and stress-free with the help of an experienced guide. The basic process goes like this. You're going to save for a down payment, get pre-approved for a mortgage so you know how much you can afford. You're going to go house hunting. Then you're going to go online to Relativity.com and see all the newest listings. Then you're going to get out and see them in person with a great agent. You'll submit an offer on a house you love, and then you're going to apply for a loan. Then you get through the home inspection and appraisal periods, and then you close on your new home. Now that's a really simple overview, so you're going to need more information. But I've got good news. The folks at Relativity.com have created an expert buyer's guide to walk you through the entire process. And it gives you great negotiation tips, inspection advice, teaches you how to get the lowest price mortgage, and how to find the best homes while avoiding those too good to be true gimmicks. And they're pervasive in today's market. It's also full of easy checklists to make sure that you never miss an important date. Just click on the link in the description below and download the free Expert Buyer's Guide. Now remember, the best real estate information can always be found on Relativity.com, the site for intelligent real estate.